There's the beautiful Ginkgo tree. Come along and let me introduce you to my friend, the Ginkgo tree. It's also a tree that's on the register of significant trees of Victoria. Here's a yellow fruit, a little more yellower than before, than the other one.
Oh yeah, this one's softer.
Ah, there we go. And as you can see, the leaves have started to fall, but they will get yellow, and when you come back in a couple of weeks and it will be all yellow. And the gardeners then sweep up all the leaves and the kids come and jump in it
Okay.
and have lots of fun. And the way it's done, with these steps as well, it just shows how accessible and easy it is to get to the different beds and grow different plants based on, how the sun moves.
It's well designed.
It is well designed, yes.
This is worm juice.
Yes, that's worm juice. No, I wonder if you open it whether it's a bit smelly, maybe?
Stinky.
Yeah. But with all the good stuff.
It's an organic smell.
Yeah, exactly. So this is called the Japanese, we just saw the Japanese crane sculpture, but now it's the football garden. That's where yeah. This garden is 100% compost, raised beds. I mean, I love how the flowers have really come out. Beautiful, isn't it? The bees are loving it. And this is what you would find out bush, right? A tea that you could put into a cup of, hot water and make something of a hot beverage, but not too much because it can have certain levels of toxicity if it's too much. And this is why I use this section for our forest therapy sessions. Do you remember the word for the dappled light, the Japanese word? Do you remember?
I'm terrible at remembering foreign words.
Komorebi. Komorebi.
Okay. It's locked in now.
Komorebi. Yeah. And this is why I choose this section, because it really facilitates that dappled light. And also, when we do forest therapy, we make sure that people don't miss looking up. How often do you think we look up for a day? Do we look up at all, or we just...
It's much more common to look down,
Yeah. So we always tell people, we suggest, why don't you just look up at the sky? As a kid, did you ever look up at the sky, imagine shapes?
In the clouds?
Yeah. We all did that as children, right? And that's part of forest therapy too. We sort of invite that childlike wonder back into our lives. Things that we have forgotten. How to be with nature with that sense of awe and wonder. Charlie sees a human face or two eyes. Why do you...
Those are pretty great eyes. Look at the fully formed eyeball and pupil and the almond shape.
Yeah. What's that word we talked about? Pareidolia.
Seeing human features in natural objects.
Yeah. Genetically programmed to do that, isn't it?
Yeah, the human brain is very predisposed towards recognizing facial features.
Oh, it makes a sound when you tap it.
It's almost like a pitch, yeah.
We'll name this one Charlie.